Didn't quite see anything really bad when I opened up the switch. So, it's got a pretty major circuit board in there, which might also help the problem. Alright, now we've got, I had to grind off a lot of the stuff that would block the trigger from going in. This is a dewalt trigger. Good enough. Actually, the dewalt button actually works to change the direction. And right now I've just got, I think I got these in here tight enough. I could have put some glue, like maybe a plastic weld in there to make sure they don't come out. I hope they don't. But what I could do is now attach just somehow like use baling wire or something like that, or Velcro to attach that battery right there like that. And we're back in business. And of course the 20 volts, this one's set for 18, the 20 volts gives this more power. But yeah, the motor's still good, it was just a bad switch. Alright, here we have, now I did go ahead and cut, the Dremel tool is great for cutting out. I'll just cut out a little place for these wires to come through. That way I didn't have to worry about fitting them in there. Let's use a little baling wire. That's all it takes. It doesn't take that long to do this little modification. I'm going to try it out. Alright, this is the reason I'm having to do this, because this is my little red Milwaukee just didn't have the guts to be able to get this one out, so I'm hoping that this one will. Yeah, alright. Yeah, the Milwaukee didn't have any, just couldn't get this. That's what I like about this one. That's why I had to go ahead and fix it, because it just has a little bit more power. Oopsie. Okay, we're gonna have to be careful with this one. I'll have to put this phone down so I can kind of hammer into that. Oh yeah. I tell you, that made all the difference. Now I can get this clutch off this motorcycle. And ooh. Yeah, there looks to be some problems. But that's for a different video.